Good morning, wonderful people. Let me show you what we're going to be doing this morning. Another day at Stockton Green, and it's Thursday, and the volunteer workers are here again. And yeah, the reason why I'm showing you the ceiling, I'm showing you these lights. These lights are fluorescent lights, and it's very difficult to get the tubes for them. These tubes are about five foot long, and I'll just show you that they do work. Right, if you see, some of these lights are working, others are not. And what we're going to do a conversion today, and we're going to convert the tubes into LEDs. We'll show you exactly what we'll be doing when we take the light down. We're going to take this one down here first. We've got our scaffolding and our ladders and everything, and we'll be taking that one down. And then we'll show you the conversion. Okay, so that's what we'll be doing today. So sit back and enjoy this one. Yeah, ready to knock him off. So before we do anything, guys, we knock the power off and make sure it's safe to work with. So if you have a look in these lights, my colleague Ray will be turning the power off. You can see these lights are on. And there you go, he's knocked the power off. So now we're safe to continue our work. Right, we're on the ladders, and what we're going to be doing, first of all, is take the covers off. I've got some clips on the side here. We just undo the clips. Oops. One clip's gone to ground. We undo the clips, and now this cover should come off. Just like that, okay?
Yeah, no, I need you to test that before you handle anything.
What's that?
That it's dead.
Can you pass us a Phillips out the bag, please? Phillips. Phillips screwdriver. You know, your little yellow handle one will do. That's just right.
You want what?
Phillips.
Phillips.
Okay, Phillips screwdriver. What we'll do, we'll push these in like so. It's got a couple of clips at this side. And we're hoping to get this off. Just like that, okay? So, and now, even though the power is switched off, we're going to test it to make sure that we haven't got nothing coming through to do any damage. And this will check the live, and it doesn't buzz at all. Check the neutral, nothing on it. Earth, nothing on it. So we know that this is completely safe to work on. And this is a little tester what we use. Thank you, Ray. Now what we're going to do, we're going to disconnect the light completely. And then we're going to take it down on the bottom where we'll do the conversion. We'll show you as we go along. And once we've done the conversion, we will test it on the ground to make sure it's working before we actually connect it back up. Okay, that's pretty good. Right. So these are on a couple of chains. So we'll just take it off the chains like so. Click this off here and then pull the cable through just like that. Okay. Now we'll hand this to Ray. Okay. So that's the first bit sorted, guys. Oops. And like I say, we are volunteer workers at Stockland Green every Thursday. We come and we volunteer and we do a range of a bit of everything. You've got some people here today and what they're doing, they're preparing to do some painting. Right, I'm safe. Down off the scaffold. Right, I'm going to stop this video here and then I'm going to show you when we actually start the conversion. Okay? Right, we've got this unit here. This is called the ballast, yeah. And then there's really nothing really to it. So what we're going to be doing, this is a ballast. You've got 3 cable coming into that. You've got your power supply up this end. What we're going to do, we're going to, just like that, we're going to cut this. We're going to cut this. We're going to cut this here as close as possible, and then we're going to
cut that completely out, aren't we?
We're going to cut this completely out from here, just like that, and then we're going to disconnect this here. We're going to disconnect the ballast. Okay guys, I hope you're following so far. Ray's going to just undo those screws. Turn it around the other way and then use a screwdriver. Yeah, just 2 screws in there, but they're very fidgety to take out. That's it. This is what was controlling the fluorescent lights before. So what we're going to do here, because there's an earth connection, we'll have to make scrape away the paint on here to get a good earth connection on this side here. And then you've got blue, green, brown, neutral, earth, and your live. And then this cable, this one comes up here. You've got, on this end, you've got the neutral and your live here. And then what we're going to trace it and connect your neutral to your neutral here, and the live to the live, and the earth going to go onto the base here. Okay, so once we do that, we'll show you exactly what we've done. Okay, right, just to recap on what we've done. So you've got an earth connection here. We've actually scraped the case in here to get a good earth connection. And what we've done, you've got the neutral and live. This is going to be the live end for the tube. And the live, we trace this way, coming all the way through here, coming through here, and that goes onto the live this side, the live this side, okay, with the brown wires, that's the live. And then the other side, which is a neutral, we trace that through, and that goes onto the neutral, onto the blue, onto here. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to power it up on the desk here, put a tube in, and then we will see how it goes from here. Okay, so if you watch what's going on this end here, we'll connect the...
Oh, you want that?
Yeah.
Connected in.
That's right. And what we do, we just basically test it on the desk before we put it up. Right. What we've done, we've made up a small little lead here, and we're just going to connect that. Make sure it all works before we go up onto the ladders or onto the tower. No, don't plug nothing in yet. You'll have to excuse my phone ringing, guys. Too busy to answer it. Right, that's connected.
Okay.
No, don't plug it in yet. We need the lamp. So this is a live hand, and normally on your tube.
Well, that's all there is on this tube.
Look at that end. Let me just check that tube. Right, now this is the LED tube. You've seen the conversion, what we've done. You've got these little ends. So remove those. Same on this end, remove that. And what you've got here, this is the AC input. And it tells you on here. See, you got that AC input there. So that end goes to the power, where it's powered from, okay? So what we do, we put that in, slide him in, and then you rotate it, okay? So that's what we've done so far. And Ray's going to plug it in. We do all the testing down on the lower deck before we connect anything up. And there you go, we have a light. So guys, that is a conversion. As you can see, the light works. So what we'll do, we'll fit it all up together, and then we will put it in its rightful place up there. Okay guys, so we'll show you the next stage when we up above, okay? Guys, I thought I was recording, but it looks like my camera switched off. But this is the light, and it's working perfectly. I thought my camera was recording when I was fitting it up there, but never mind. We managed to do the conversion, and yeah, the light is working perfectly. And the reason why we do the testing on the ground is to make sure that it works before we put it up, so that we don't have any issues up here working with it. So that's it guys, hope you enjoy it. All these lights in here now are fully functioning, and that was our conversion from fluorescent light to LEDs. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget guys, subscribe. And you're with Sumaila in the city. Volunteer worker today at Stockland Green. Bye for now.